In this example, we are going to find the expected value given some prize amounts and probabilities. So to calculate the expected value, we will need to first multiply the prize amount awarded in each category by the probability of winning each prize. After we do those or find those products, we will then add the results. As we do this process, don't forget to include the cost of a ticket. So let's write down some of these steps below. So for instance, in this first category, this top prize, we could win $1 million. But technically, we don't even win $1 million because we did have to spend $1 on the ticket. So really, this is the prize amount, $999,999. All right. And then the probability of that, we'd multiply this by, or we'd take this expected amount and we would multiply by the probability. So that's going to be 1 over 80,000,001. We will now add to that the prize amount awarded in this next category, which would be $100,000, minus the $1 ticket, times its probability, 1 over 40,000,001. And then we will add to that this last category, or I say last category, and then subtract that $1 ticket times the probability 1 over 20,000,001, its probability. Okay, so at first that looks like maybe this is the entire expected value, but there is one more possibility that's not explicitly stated here, and that's the prize of losing your money, buying one ticket. And the probability that that happens is 1 minus all of these probabilities. Now, it's not a very pretty looking number, but that's exactly how I would calculate it. I would do in my calculator 1 minus 1 over 80,000,001 minus 1 over 40,000,001, and so forth and so on. And I got that approximate probability as a decimal was 0.9, a bunch of nines actually. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 nines, I believe. 1, 2, 5. Okay, and that's its probability. I'm just going to leave it like that. So with that being said, I really need to include one more category here, and that is this category of losing the money that you spent on the ticket, negative $1, times its probability, which is all these nines, like this. And I could type that into my calculator, and that should get me approximately negative 0.98 as the expected value.